Hi guys, here my quick video review about this eufy clean multi-surface cleaner concentrate. Says child and pet friendly, low foaming. Yeah, it has definitely been low foaming. I have already bought similar concentrates for my Yeedi robot vacuum cleaner with mopping function. There we have the tank, and then we have usually to fill a cap full of the concentrate. I did that also here exactly as with the previous concentrate which I had, and there it was always a little bit foaming, not crazy, but here absolutely zero. That's what I noticed, and that's what helped me definitely a lot. So much easier to fill up the tank. And what I also noticed is that the robot didn't have any problems to get up to the ramp back to the charging and cleaning station when you're just using normal detergent like for floor mopping or so, which is not specifically made also for robot vacuum cleaners. Then it can be a huge problem to get up back into the charging station, but here it was absolutely no problem. The concentrate itself comes like that, by the way, with this cap, not super easy to remove. I had to cut it open with a knife, but I mean, it's just a one-time thing, and after that it worked pretty good. Of course, I bought it in a 2-pack, so I'm showing you here the bottle which I've not been using. I have just been using really just one cap full. The liquid itself doesn't have any color at all. The previous one had a little bit an orange color, was actually also not a problem, but neutral color is definitely an advantage, and the smell is also pretty neutral, not too strong. I wished it would be maybe a little bit stronger, because after that it doesn't leave like a fresh scent or so. But that also means that nobody will be annoyed by strong scents. Some people are sensitive to strong scents, and that's definitely not going to be a problem here. But it still has a little bit of a fresh scent. At the beginning I've been using just normal water there without any detergent, and then the dirt water has been smelling really bad, I can tell you. And with this one here, absolutely no problems. So it's definitely a huge advantage when you add something like that. And also the result, when I was cleaning the dirt water tank, I saw that it has been picking up a lot of dirt, definitely pretty much same as with the previous concentrate I've been using. But here definitely less foaming, or actually pretty much zero foaming. And so I think it was a good idea to change to this one here. By the way, I'm not affiliated with this company. I paid full price, so this is not a sponsored review, but I'm still super happy with it. I would buy it anytime again, and so it's a full recommendation from my side, so you can buy it directly here from Amazon. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.